Hey everyone, my name is Prerna Jain and I'm currently a first year student at IIM Rohtak. We hope this video will provide you with useful insights which will help you in acing the CAT exam.
Hello everyone, I am Rishabh Jain, a first year student at IIM Rohtak, and today we will be sharing some tips and tricks regarding the QA section of CAT.
Quantitative ability can be classified into 5 subtopics, namely arithmetic, number system, geometry, algebra, and modern maths. Now is the time for you to focus on your strengths. Identify your strong areas and the topics you are comfortable with. You have to ensure that you are maintaining an accuracy level of 100% while solving questions from these areas. Apart from that, please make sure that you are revising at least one topic from quantitative aptitude on a daily basis. It is imperative to make sure that your weak areas are not getting neglected. For catching up with your weak topics, you can brush up the concepts and stick to practicing only the basic level questions.
Taking 2 mock exams every week would be sufficient. Try to take the mock exams in the time slot you have been assigned to get accustomed to the timing. A thorough analysis of the same cannot be overemphasized. The mocks have a standard of questions that is very close to the actual CAT, and learning that one can derive from working out on them with your mentor would be immense. Keep your thoughts positive and spirits high. Maintaining morale is of highest importance to any CAT aspirant. Do not get bogged down by low mock scores in the final leg of preparation.
I cannot stress enough how important it is to skim through the entire paper in 4-5 minutes and pick the questions that belong to your areas of strength and interest. The questions that can be solved in less than 75 seconds should be targeted first, as these would help you build the score and the confidence. Mark the questions along the way which you find difficult and only attempt them once the easy ones have been taken care of. CAT is notorious for throwing a curveball in the exam at times, so don't get bothered by the presence of such questions and simply leave the question if it is taking too much time to solve. After all, it is important to master the art of leaving the questions so as not to attract negative marking.
QA is the last section in CAT, and at times mind gets so drained by the previous 2 sections that one is not able to pay full attention and dedication while attempting this section. It is important to make sure that you do not fall in this trap and give your best in the section, as it is the final decider in providing a boost to your overall score. Some students fear that if the first 2 sections don't go as well as planned, they lose hope and do not utilize their full potential. Treat the 3 sections as 3 independent tests and do not let the performance of one impact the other. At times, a not so good performance in either of the previous section gets salvaged by an outstanding performance in the QA section. Stay focused till the last second of exam and do not lose the vision of the bigger picture. Keep a calm and cool mind while solving the QA section, and half the battle is already won. Best of luck.